Hey everyone, Rachel here from ChefsTemp. Here's how to charge your ProTemp Plus correctly. Make sure you know your ProTemp Plus device and components. Use a Type-C charging cable to charge the stand through the power input port and let it charge. The stand not only charges the probe, but it also relays temperature data from the probe to the ChefsTemp app. Ensure it is properly charged. The stand will stay powered 80 to 100 hours with Wi-Fi transmission, and the probe will last 30 hours on a full charge. Once charged, you're ready to go. For more information on any of our amazing ChefsTemp products and the ProTemp Plus, visit our website or subscribe to our channel. ChefsTemp always gets you to the perfect temp every time.